Hello students, now let us look at the next topic that is called as steganography. What do you mean by steganography? So steganography is the technique of hiding secret information inside another file or medium. So by doing so, we are concealing the existence of any communication or data. So it can be widely used in cybersecurity and also in secure data transfer. So commonly how we can hide the data, it could be in the form of images, audio, video, and text. You can hide the messages. So what are the types of steganography techniques that are available? So we are having image steganography. So image steganography, basically we can hide data inside the digital images. Then we are having audio steganography. It can hide the data in the sound files. Then we are having video steganography. It embeds message in the video frames. Then we are having text steganography. Here we can use spaces, formatting or character patterns to hide the data. Then we are having network steganography. It can basically use to hide information in the network packets. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of steganography? So what are the advantages is basically it can provide an extra layer of security by hiding the messages, and it can make communication less suspicious compared to the encrypted text, and it can be combined with cryptography for stronger protection. It can support multiple media types like images, audio, and video, and it is also used for secure communication and copyright protection. So now let us look at the disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages of hiding data? So there could be a high overhead to hide relatively few information bits. Hidden data may be lost if the file is compressed or modified, and there is limited capacity for storing the secret information. And advanced stegananalysis tool can detect the hidden messages, and it also requires technical knowledge for proper implementation. Sometimes this can be used for illegal activities also. So I'm showing you an image. So this is the original image. Okay. So today I will show you a demo of how to show how to hide data inside an image. So I basically have taken a dog image, and in this dog image I have encrypted some data. So this is the next slide which shows the encrypted image. But if you look at the image, you will not be able to see any difference between the images. So now let us quickly get into the demo. So I have created a folder called Stego. So in the Stego, I have the image called, there is a dog image, and I have created a text file. So a text file, basically it has a secret message. I have created a text notepad, namely called secret, and I have told this is a secret message that is encoded. I have given the code. Okay, some message I want to share secretly. Okay, so now let us see. So actually my folder is in the D drive. So I am currently in the D drive. So the command that I need to type is copy /B. So what is the original file? I have a dog image. So the file format is, you can use any format. So since my file is a GIF format, I have added that. So the text file is secret. Okay. So what name you want your file to be encrypted? So I want my encrypted file name to be dog1.jfif. Okay, so this is a pretty easy command. So you have like a lot of online tools also that are available to do the encryption. But using the command prompt, you can just do a basic steganography. So now you can see the file has been copied. So now let us get into the folder and see. So now you can see there is a new file that is being created that is called as dog1. So now how to check So now let us look at the file size. So if you look at the first original image file size, you can see the original image file size is 5.25 KB. Okay. So now if you look at the image that has the secret information encoded. Now you can see the file size to be 5.31. Okay, so you can see that there is a significant amount of increase in the file size. But if you look at the overall you can see the file size is only 6 KB. But here inside, if you look, you can see the difference. So now let us how to check whether my image is having the encrypted text or not. So what you can do is you can click on the original dog image and then you can open this file using a notepad. So if you open the file with a notepad, here you can see the data is, it is somewhat, not visible. So you cannot see any plain text data that is read by the human eye. Okay, so you cannot see any text. Okay, so this doesn't contain any plain text. So now let us look at the next image. So here, if you look at the encrypted dog one, this is a new uh, file. So if you look at the file, if you scroll down, you will be able to see at the end the original data that we have encoded. So this is a secret message that is encoded and the code is 9876. So this is a way you can encode your text onto an image. Okay, so if you look at the original message, so we have seen this is a secret message that is encoded. So by looking at the image, you can understand that we can send secret messages inside the image. So likewise, you have various types of steganography that we have already seen. Okay, so here we have seen image, we have seen. Likewise, in audio file also you can send, video file, text file also you can send, a network also you can send. So this is a very basic video or the demonstration of how to hide data inside the digital images. So you can, there are various online tools also. So you can just install the software also and you can add the secret information. Okay, so this comes to the end of the presentation. Thank you. Meet you in the next presentation.